What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Check it out. This is what I'm bringing for Soul Food Sunday this week. Listen, I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to make. Listen, this is just a southern banana pudding. Let's get it. As always, look down in the description box below for the full ingredient list. Hey, with that being said, look, we finna get started. Look, this is what you gotta do. Look, you gotta get yourself an egg. Let me bring this close, because what we wanna do is we just want the yolk. Now, we got 4 eggs, but look, 2 of these, we're gonna do the yolk only, right? I'm gonna take this out, take it right here, give it a crack. Now look, you know, you wanna be gentle with it. And we just go like this. I love it when like new people, when they see this, they be like, hey, what's happening? Then you just want to be careful that you don't tear the yolk up and it spills down in there, because we want to use all of the yolk, right? Just like you see here. Now we got the yolk, we'll just go ahead and put this inside. Now we do the second one. Now look, in no particular order, look, I'm gonna add my sugar, salt, cornstarch, and then we're gonna do the 2 eggs. Last but not least, your milk. And now we go ahead and whisk. And you want to be gentle. I'm just gonna go ahead. What I'm trying to do is just get it to work some of that cornstarch and that sugar down, right? And we just want a medium heat. We're gonna let it thicken up and go from there. You can look right here, you can see it started getting thick, right? When it gets about to this consistency here, you just want to go ahead. I turn mine off right now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my butter to it. So let's go ahead and get this inside. We're just gonna work that in there and let that melt. Believe me, it's already hot enough. And as we working this in also, we're gonna go ahead and add our vanilla extract. Now, one thing you guys didn't see is my whipped cream. I kept that in the refrigerator. You know why? Because I didn't want to just like have it out so it'll start melting as I'm doing the video, right? But this right here, look at that right there. Ah, yeah. Everything is melted. I'm loving the consistency. Okay, look, I've let this cool for about 20 minutes. You can see it's starting to get even more thick, right? But this right here is good. It's got a little steam to it, but I let it cool. Put this top on here. Then I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Again, that's gonna be, for me, 4 hours. I just pulled this out of the refrigerator right now, right? I went 4 hours. We can take a look at it right now. It's nice and set, sturdy. Look at this, right? That's pudding. Now, it's up to you. I want you guys to take a look over here. Look, I got some wafers. I'm gonna crush these. That's why I got these in a bag. Listen, you can put them in here. You can decorate it however you want to. You can make individual glasses, or you can just set it in a bowl like this, like layer it. I'm gonna put some crumbs down on the bottom, some pudding. You know what I mean? We just keep doing the same thing in different, ways, right? And then over here, I got some Cool Whip. I'm gonna top it with some Cool Whip, and that's when I'm gonna cut the banana and put them on the top. Look, I'm using the meat tenderizer. Of course, I'm gonna use this side, right? So we'll just start crushing these. And cool thing about having, these glass bowls, you get the chance to see the layers. So now, I'm gonna just go ahead and start adding the pudding to it. Here you're gonna wanna take your chance, take your time. But listen, it's all about the presentation for this right here, right? Right, just like that. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take myself some vanilla wafers. Now these are the whole ones. It's up to you how you wanna do it. You want them on this side so that everybody can see them, right? So we'll just decorate them like this. Just go around. You guys are getting the, the gist of it right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this Cool Whip and just drop this in just like that. Then look, the reason I got myself one of these rubber spatulas, because look, we're going to have to work this around here just like this. All we're doing is building a whole bunch of layers, some good old southern banana pudding. Some of y'all might be looking at it right now like, hey, he ain't got no bananas. You can add bananas to it right now if that's what you like. But for me, I'm just gonna top these with bananas. Now, we're just gonna go back with some more pudding. of, you know, just a little bit more of the cool with it. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit of this crumb action. This piece is kind of big. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and knock this down for myself. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these in here like this. Let's just go around. Now remember, you guys can decorate it and, you know, layer it however you would like. I got several people that's behind the camera. You know what I mean? A lot of them don't really, they say they don't like the bananas, but we'll see. So I just went ahead and went light. Usually I put a layer of bananas down at the bottom. But this right here, this is a southern banana pudding right here, folks. You know what? See if I can't get a little fancy with it. There you go, folks. I want you guys to tell me what you think.
It's not my fault.
Okay, so look, now you see that I'm done. Check it out. You see it. I can't wait to hit it. Hey, so with that being said, look, I'm getting ready to dig right into this. And hey, I got a guess. Come on. Come on. Here you go. This is Brianna. This is my daughter. Hey, all that waving and all that. You all making all that noise you do here. Go ahead. I'll let you do the honors.
You were about to eat it without me.
Yeah, no, just go ahead and do your thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait. Did you get any pudding?
I got some. Want a little more?
Yeah, there you go. Oh.
All right. Very, very good.
You know what? I almost stuck my tongue out to check to see if it was hot. This is good. Hold on. Hey, this right here is fire. Listen, this is just my entry for this week's, you know, hashtag Soul Food Sunday. Listen, Southern banana pudding. I don't know what says, you know, soul food like this does right here. Hey, with that being said, check this out. I want you guys to look up the hashtag. Hey, listen, it's hashtag Soul Food Sunday, and check out the other creators that have dropped stuff. I know I saw the Lisa D's Delight Show. She got some got an entry, Cooking with CJ, and then Soul Food Cooking. And look, it's a lot of other people there too. I just can't remember everybody off the top of my head. But listen, you guys go by, take a look at that, and I see you over there with that smile on your face. Hey, you good? I feel like she rushing me right now to go ahead and finish this up. Hey, but with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe. And I want you guys to tell everybody out there, listen, it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, guess what, folks? I'm gonna take this with me and I'm out. Peace.